Hey guys, we just got in the new Easter Bakery Bling designer cookie kit, and today we are going to be walking you through step-by-step instructions of how to put it together. Of course, I've got my helper Miller. Can you say hi? All right, so first step is you want to take everything out of the box. So this is a great kit because you can put together 8 different cookies. So we've got rabbits and chicks and bunnies and lots. All right, so step 1, we got everything out of our cookie kit. We've got our cookies, we've got all of our pieces, our glittery sugar and bowls. I think it's really easy to put the glittery sugar in bowls, then the kids, once they sprinkle it on, you can kind of put it back in the bowls and they can kind of sprinkle over their cookie bowl. Less mess at home. Now we are going to get our icing out. Now we want to massage it, so you gotta massage it. We gotta make sure that we get everything to the front. Right. So we are gonna get ready, and you wanna take some scissors, make sure you have an adult supervision. You wanna cut the end of your icing bag. Okay, Mel, here's yours. Okay, now first.
No, I want that one.
You want that one, second. So I'll trade you back. All right, so once you cut the tip of your icing, you are gonna outline the basket. So that's step 2. Good job, Miller. Now, yes, of course. So I'm going to help her outline the edge of the egg. Okay, so you want to outline your basket and you want to do an alternating pattern so it looks like, you know, like baskets, like it's like woven together. So we are going to make the lines in it, and then we're going to go back and forth each direction. Okay, so we've made this look like a basket. So you can see we kind of did some dots around the center, and then down the edge we kind of put dots over it, and then we did a pattern. Now you can do it a little bit closer, or you can do it something like this. So if it doesn't work and you feel like your basket, maybe the pattern's too hard, maybe for a child they can't do that back and forth with the line, it's okay to fill the basket in. So we're gonna actually fill Miller's basket in. Was that pattern too hard for you, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. So next up, we are gonna take the yellow glittery sugar and we're gonna sprinkle it on our basket. See the way we're doing it over our sugar bowl, so we keep our mess contained in the bowl. Next, Miller is going to do the same thing. Okay, so step 5, we're now going to add the green grass to our basket, and then we're going to get to add all of our cute figurines. So go ahead, you want to just do just a little pattern of some grass on top of what you've already done on your basket. You can do like long strokes like that. Oh, that's perfect, Miller. Now, next step, go ahead and put your bunnies and make the basket however you want. Okay? So, oh, here we go. You want the green bow? Or do you want the blue bow? Now you get to put all your accessories on. You can put the rabbits and the chicks. You can put the green bows, the blue bows. Ooh, and the one great thing that she's doing right now is, let's say after you've already done your Easter basket, the royal icing gets a little hard. Go ahead and just add a little bit of icing to the back of the piece. All right, now you can see how our cookies